Welcome to Pakistan Ordnance Factories, Pakistan's first and the largest defense industrial complex operating under the Ministry of Defense Production and headed by a serving General Officer of the Pakistan Army. POF started its journey in 1951 and has since been producing conventional arms and ammunition of international standards. In 1947, at the time of independence, all 16 defense industries established before partition went to Indian share, with none falling within Pakistan's territory. This led to a principled decision by Prime Minister Khan Liaquat Ali Khan to establish Pakistan's own defense industry. Khwaja Nazmuddin, the second Prime Minister of Pakistan, laid the foundation stone of POF in Cantonment at a distance of about 40 kilometers from Islamabad. Spread over an area of 26 kilometers, employing a workforce of 26,000 skilled workers and 600 engineers and scientists. POF is a conglomerate of 14 factories and 12 subsidiaries and affiliated departments that are diversified into defense and commercial divisions, producing over 100 products of defense and non-defense application. After ensuring the defense and security needs, POF exports its products to as many as 40 countries in 5 regions of the world, which is an acknowledgement of trust reposed in the quality of its products. Small arms infantry weapons. POF's small arms and infantry weapons are characterized by stringent quality benchmarks. Its rifles, G3, A3, MP5 submachine gun, and machine gun MG3 are based on German technology, designated marksman rifle, .308 Windsporter, pistol PK9, semi-auto pistols POF4, POF5, and 12.7mm are produced on the latest computerized numerical control machines. Given the dynamic nature of the market, innovation and evolution form the cornerstone of POF. The latest additions to its product portfolio are POF-I and light sniper rifle, which are playing an important role in Pakistan's own counter-terrorism drive. Small arms ammunition. 7.62 into 39mm, 7.62 into 51mm NATO standard, and 7.62 into 54mm ammo. 9mm parabellum are produced on top-of-the-line plant, ensuring consistent quality and high accuracy. Aircraft and anti-aircraft ammunition. 12.7mm, 30mm, and 37mm aircraft and anti-aircraft ammunition for the Chinese, French, and American aircraft are POF's pride products. Artillery ammunition. A variety of medium and heavy artillery calibers in the 105mm, 122mm, 130mm, 155mm and 203mm are produced at the Artillery Ammunition Factory and the Heavy Artillery Ammunition Factory. Tank and anti-tank ammunition. Kinetic energy rounds, 105mm and 125mm are the specialty of POF tank and anti-tank ammo factory, while the 125mm ammunition incorporates a combustible cartridge case and tungsten alloy penetrators capable of defeating the toughest armor in the battlefield. Mortar bombs. 120mm and 81mm French design mortar bombs and 60mm Chinese mortar bombs are the specialty of the artillery ammo factories. Fuses. POF specializes in the production of mechanical and electronic fuses for mortar bombs, aircraft ammo, artillery shells and rockets. Point detonating, base detonating, proximity and multi-option fuses for artillery are manufactured ensuring the high standards of workmanship. Explosives and propellants. POF operates 2 explosives and propellant factories producing single, double, and triple base propellants including all categories of high explosives for use in ordnance products. Other than these, POF product line includes 40mm, 73mm shoulder fire, and 122mm multi-barrel rockets, hand grenades, pyrotechnics, demolition stores, packing material, and plastic products. Clothing factory. POF Clothing Factory is a leading industry in Asia for the production of high-quality garments including military uniforms, camouflage combat dress, CCD, personal load-carrying equipments, PLCE, industrial garments, overall combination, police uniforms, hospital apparels, danger-building clothing, etc. Here in POF Clothing Factory, total business solutions are applied under one roof as a major business strategy. Commercial products. POF's commercial division includes VA Industries Limited, VA Noble Group of Companies, VA Brass Mills Private Limited, Shotgun Ammunition Factory, Packaging Factory, VA Gazuba and High Tech Plastics Private Limited. These subsidiaries produce commercial explosives, detonators, and hunting ammunition, and have extensive facilities for the manufacture of brass, copper, and aluminum ingots, both for military and non-military applications. VA Brass, after its upgradation, has become one of the leading producers of brass and brass items in South Asia, with an enhanced production capacity of 24,000 metric ton per annum. At POF, everything has a bigger purpose, a deeper meaning. Everything is done with a sense of conviction and commitment to the welfare of our nation and that of our people. POF continues to play its role for the strength and stability of our nation and a sustainable peace in the region.